Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. After the struggle and the pain and the rain and the games.
What's going on, my YouTube fam? It's your boy E Double back up in here on this nice, lovely Tuesday. Like to welcome all my subscribers, my continued subscribers. Thank you for supporting your boy. Follow me on IG E_money_shoes. I will have my information in the link below. Also, make sure you hit me up. Follow my email, Emoneyshoes1@gmail, if you need to get in contact with me. Also, hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop this content. So let's see if this new equipment actually works. So as you can see in front of me, I have these Kyrie Irving thing. This is probably the most hype one out of the pack. Kyrie 4, Kyrie 4 Lucky Charms. Fisher colorway, bright crimson red multicolor. Suggested retail price $120, but I got them for $100. These shoes, you can go a half size. I probably could even went up a whole size on these, because boy, these things run snug. Got your snapper ramp. I wasn't gonna cop these, as some people told, but they are very dope in person, especially if you like Lucky Charms. I like Lucky Charms. I also like Captain Crunch, but that's for another day. As you can see in here, he always got his stuff inside. NJ, I haven't seen that before on a shoe. Fear is not real, of course. Kyrie Irving's number 11. Then you got the gum bottom with the hits of marshmallows coming up on the toe. You got this leather type materials. You got like a mesh type netting here, your flyer wire, or whatever you want to call it, for your laces. You got Lucky Charms on the tongue. Nothing special about the laces. You got your peaks with your speckles. Then you got, I think this is suede here. Suede, a new buck. And as you can see, it kind of got that change of rain reflective on the Nike swoosh. Normally most Kyries, they do have a lot of little hidden details. You got that all-seeing eye. A lot of people got different emotion about that, right? Like I always say in my videos, all-seeing eye, because of his beliefs of the world is flat and all that stuff. But to each his own. 11/23/15, daughter birth. On the other shoe, I think he got his mother's on date of birth. JBY, just be you, as already known, the median side. Going inside, you see, got the Lucky Charms inside with Kyrie Irving's signature. Production date on these bad boys here, 4/4/18, 6/25/18. So real quick, another quick once over around the shoe. Guys, let me know how you feel about these shoes. I actually had the whole pack, so I got to do one last review on the kicks. You guys can let me know which shoe you like the best out of the pack. So again, as we move to that 1K, don't forget, like I said, to tell a family member, friend about your boy E Double, E Money Shoes here on the tube. On the dope meter, I give this shoe about a 4.25 out of 5. 4.25 out of 5. Thanks for taking the time for watching my video, and it's your boy E Double, and I'm out. Deuces.
The corner could get you rich. Let me go, gang. You already know I'm about to say, nigga, I'm always in the streets. No street, nigga. Like, fuck you thought.